Close to you, I wanna be close to you, so I can feel your presence, rest my head inside your hand. Close to you, so you can hear my heart, but why is it so hard when our worlds just don't collide? Wish I could pretend I didn't need your thoughts are haunting me inside my head, I can't unplug them. How do I unplug them, boy? Ooh, lightning strikes when I see you so happy. Maybe I was born to be so lonely for so long. Can someone tell me what is wrong? Ooh, oh, baby, I feel so low. is now a part of me. New reality, yeah. All of that technology I can live without. It knows me better than I do. You know that it is true. But hey, what can I do? It's an engine, like WXYZ. I lead to follow, na 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 na. I'm saying what I na 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 na. Say I never care, but sometimes it really hurts. I enjoy my own company. I can be the fireworks, I can be the worst. All of that technology I can live without. It knows me better than I do. You know that it is true. But hey, what can I do? It's an engine, like WXYZ. It's an engine, like WXYZ. I live to follow, na 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 na. I'm saying what I na 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 na. I won't lie if I say bye, you never stand a chance. Love us or hate, this is our age, baby, we run this race. If you don't know, it's yes or no, we never really care. We will go down in history, we are the TMZ. It's an engine.